Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today. So guys, if today is your first day on this channel, you are welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the subscription button right there. Just go ahead and smash that button and turn on the notification bell. Yes, it's important. Turn the notification bell on and give this video a like. So guys, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. Yes, that's my welcome back dance. Okay. So guys, thank you all for tuning in. So we'll go ahead and open this box. So I have like 3 boxes. The last time I opened one, and I got so busy I was not able to open the remaining ones. So finally I'm gonna go ahead and open these 2 today, because sometimes things happens, you get so busy you wouldn't do what you plan to do. I'll go ahead and open these 2 boxes up right now. So let's see what I have inside the box. Are you guys ready? So let's get started. Oh my god. Okay, this is my skipping rope. Yes, you know, since the virus thing, I've been slacking. Yes, I've been slacking a lot. You know, slacking, yeah, because I have the virus and a lot of things has been going on, so I've not been exercising, I've not been doing a lot of stuff. But now that I'm fine, I went back on my COVID-19 test on Friday, and the result came back today, being Monday, and it's negative. Hooray! So I'm free from the virus, I'm fine, and I thank God. I thank you all for reaching out, for praying, for wishing me speedy recovery. Yes, for wishing me speedy recovery. I thank you all so much. So I'm back on my feet. I'm doing very well. So it's high time for me to go back to my exercise plan. Yeah, my weight loss journey. I have to go back and continue with what I have planned to do for myself. So I thank God that everything went very well with the COVID-19 stuff. I thank God so much for that. So this is my jump rope. Yes, so it just arrived. It just arrived. So it's time to get fit again. So guys, this is the number 1 thing in the box. You know, sometimes when you have little stuff in the box, they'll put a very giant box. You feel like, what do I have in there? And this is my ring light. I'm so excited about this one. So this is my ring light. My ring light. So I ordered this ring light. How do I? Okay. Here you go. Here you go. Wow. Sorry. Okay guys, now you know I have ring lights here. Okay, I don't even know how. I'll see. I don't know if I should set this up right now or I should just move on to the next box. So I'm probably gonna break it before I get to set it up. That's crazy. So I'll go ahead and keep this box over here. Let's see what I have in the other box, okay? So we don't want to waste so much time in this thing. I don't like making video that is so much long. So guys, that seems like a lot of stuff. What is this one?
And then I'm just gonna eat you.
What is that?
Take it off and there. It's not cool. Get out of the seat. I'm really thinking that lose, but you leave it.
Like seriously? I ordered for a baking pan, and when you go to the Amazon picture, this is like a very large pan. So, and this is what they sent. What is that? This is definitely going back. Like, I ordered for a very big pan, like oven, like big loaf bread, So I don't know why I got this stuff, and this is definitely going back for sure. This is like a baby, like toy stuff. Who does that? Oh my goodness. So I'm definitely sending this stuff back. I'm not keeping it. No. I'm gonna show you guys the picture of what I ordered for on Amazon. It's way different. There's no way this looks like what I saw on Amazon account website. So it's like a toy. Can you bake a bread with this stuff? This looks like a toy. I'm not keeping this stuff, so I'm sending it back the way it came. Oops. So this is going back right away, guys. No waste of time. I'm gonna take it back. I don't know. So this one is going back. I'm gonna keep that on that side. And the next thing on the box, so whenever I'm opening any box, I try to be careful so I don't rip the boxes, to rip any of the box in case I have to take it back. So this is my coffee blend, like grinder. So you can use this to grind your little spices as well, and you can use this to grind your coffee. Can you guys see inside? I don't know. That's it. So you have to like plug that in and then it start working. So I'll go ahead and try that on. If it works well, I'm keeping it, and if it doesn't work well, I'm sending it back. But for now, it's gonna stay on this keeping side, guys. So the next thing on this box, so this one is pretty much heavy. Haha. So this is like a mortar pestle. So that's a mortar and mortar pestle. It's pretty small though. It looks pretty small, but I don't know. It looks small. I don't know. I might skip that, but so I will leave that on that side for now. It looks pretty small, but I think I might keep it. So the last on the box, but not the least, the last but not the least, thank you purchase. So I got some measuring spoon. So these are measuring spoon. So these are like cooking utensils. So this is like cooking utensils. So I'm hoping that they are what it says on the website. I'm so disappointed with this stuff, honestly. I feel so disappointed with this thing, this pan. So this is it, guys. So this for like non-sticky pots. When you have those pots that you don't need to like use the iron spoon on. So that's why I ordered this stuff, because I need this for the pot that I bought, the pot that I ordered the other time that I opened up. So I need these spoons for those pots because you cannot use the regular iron spoon. So when you do, it's gonna scratch a lot. So that's why I ordered this plastic silicone spoons for the pot, and my other pot as well that doesn't need iron spoon. I think I need some water. My throat is kind of drying up. So guys, that's it for these boxes. I'll go ahead and set up my ring lights. So I'm happy for that one. So what am I keeping and what am I taking back? So for sure, number one thing that is going back to Amazon is that stuff. Yes, I'll go ahead and return that back. I'm not keeping that stuff. So this is like for you to use and cut the meats. Like if you have like a big chicken that you grill and you don't want to like use your hands, you can just use this thing that looks like a fork, and that's pretty cool. All right guys, that's it for today box unboxing, my mystery boxes. I think I have one more box that I have to open, but let me see what I have in this box. You know, I need to see what is in this box as well, because I'm not really sure what I ordered for that is in that box for now. Aha, my wallpaper. So this is my wallpaper for like doing a lot of stuff. So this is a wallpaper. I use this to do a lot of stuff. So I don't know where I'm gonna be putting it, but for now that's it. Wallpaper. You guys saw that? Yes. So you can put this in so many places. And the last but not the least, so this is camera. I saw this camera. For now, all my videos I've been using my cell phone. I use my cell phone for all my videos. So I saw this camera. It's kind of cheap. Is it like 80 something or $90? I can't remember. I have to like double check to know how much I bought this camera. So I'll make a full detailed video on this camera, a review of this camera. But for now, I just want to let you guys know that the box, what I have in there is camera. So that looks pretty nice and it's kind of cheap. So I don't know how it works. So I have to like go through the manual. So this is the manual. So I have to like go through the manual to know how this camera is being operated. So but for now, I don't know. That's cool. It can flip up and down. So that's one thing. Like I said, I will go ahead and stop this vlogging or this video or whatever it is, unboxing. I'll go ahead and stop this at this point. But for now, I'll go ahead and explore on this camera. After I'm done exploring, knowing how it works, then I'll come back to you guys and I'll give you a good review of this camera, how much I bought it, and every details that you need to know about this camera. And I'll let you guys know if it's really worth it, because right now I'm using my cell phone and my cell phone is doing pretty okay job. It's not, I don't think the quality is that great, but I think it's doing okay job. Yes, I think it's okay for now until I'm able to I'm ready to purchase a very expensive camera or something else. But for now, I'll keep using my cell phone, and if this thing turns out to be good, I will keep it, and if it doesn't turn out to be good, I'll send it back. Yeah. All right guys, thank you all for watching today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed unboxing all these boxes with me today. I'll see you guys on my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and turn on the notification bell so you get more of my video. And I'll see you guys on my next video. See you next time. Bye. 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 So guys, you make sure you stay safe. Don't go out and expose yourself to this virus because it's very dangerous. All right, guys. Bye for now. Ciao.